सो डॉक्टर साहब का इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत ब्रीफ है, बट आई बहुत शॉर्ट किया मैंने, और इसमें उनकी जो क्वालिटीज है, ही इज वेरी हम्बल पर्सन। और केबीआर पार्क, नेशनल केबीआर पार्क है हैदराबाद में, जो मॉर्निंग वॉक में डेली आते हैं और हमको भी बताते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए, आपके अगर पेन में, अगर घुटनों में दर्द है तो क्या करना चाहिए। इतने स्पेशलिस्ट है, विदाउट एनी चार्जेस, मतलब बहुत कम, कई बार पैसे के लिए नहीं करते हैं। इतना दिल बड़ा है डॉक्टर साहब का कि, और रिसेंटली केबीआर पार्क में कम से कम 200-300 लोगों को आपने 200-300 रुपए के इक्विपमेंट दिए हैं विदाउट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग। तो बहुत ग्रेट है डॉक्टर साहब। और केबीआर पार्क में सभी डॉक्टर साहब को मानते हैं। करीब करीब 5000 लोग आते हैं केबीआर पार्क में डेली मॉर्निंग। तो डॉक्टर साहब को बहुत फॉलोअर है वो डॉक्टर साहब के, और अपने ऑसम ग्रुप में आज आने से बहुत कुछ नया मालूम पड़ेगा कि किस तरह से आप विदाउट मेडिसिन आप घर बैठे डॉक्टर साहब से भी संपर्क कर सकते हो कोई भी एडवाइस के लिए, और बहुत फायदा होगा आज के सेशन से। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर साहब टू स्टार्ट योर सेशन। थैंक यू।
Good morning, all.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Thank you.
Good morning.
Thank you, Om Prakash ji and members inviting me. I am very much appreciate for them. Sir is appreciating so much. I am not such a big person. So thank you very much for all. Actually, I am Dr. Gupta, homeopathic wellness consultant, practicing in Secunderabad almost since 25 years. So my thinking is avoid medicines as much as possible, wherever the possibilities are there. Today's topic is how to look younger than your age, how to reverse your health problems with the foods. Okay, so I take 18 minutes and 2 minutes I'll give for the question answers. First thing is I wanted to make a note. All people can take a pen and paper. First important, what I traveled so many countries. First important that there is alkaline foods and acidic foods are there. Every food it contains having a pH. Our blood pH is 7 pH. If below 7 pH foods are called acidic foods. Above 7 pH foods are called alkaline foods. If you take acidic foods, body will attract so many diseases like cancer, diabetes, blood pressure, all the diseases it will attract to land in our body. If you take alkaline foods, the body will reject all the diseases, will not improve our immunity. It will not give any chance to grow our virus and bacteria, anything. My request for all our friends, just Google it, which is alkaline food, which is acidic food. Above 7.5 pH foods are called alkaline foods. Below 7.5 pH foods are called acidic foods. Just Google it. Whenever you are free, just Google it, make a note, which is acidic food, which is alkaline food. Just type it, put it in your kitchen. Now, many people are now what we are doing is 70% or 80% we are taking acidic foods, balance only 20% we are taking alkaline food. My suggestion for you is at least you take 60 to 70% of alkaline foods. Example, see there are so many wellness centers around the world. They are reversing like Yogagram, Jindal, so many health centers I visited. What they are giving, they are not giving any special item. Along with other exercise, they are giving alkaline food. Example, the 10 pH foods are broccoli is there. And fresh, you can take palak. So many, you can Google it. You can, so many items you can get. So for example, burger, pizza, all those things it costs 3.5 pH, 4 pH. Just look into it. Whatever the food you are eating, whether it is acidic, whether it is alkaline, just click it. Make a note. What are the alkaline foods? Make a note. Maybe 10, 20, 30 food items. Just put it in. Just follow that. So you're automatically, suppose if you start taking alkaline food, suppose you are diabetes, you are taking 10 tablets, you may take 8 tablets, 7 tablets, slowly, you can stop the tablets and your general health also will be better. See, like operation theater is so well maintained so that germs, anything cannot enter. So same thing, if you take alkaline foods, the body will reject all the viruses, bacteria and all. This is the most important point I wanted to inform. So what food you are taking? Alkaline food. Suppose you wanted to be faster, I wanted to be healthy faster, I wanted to look young, take 8.5 pH, 9 pH, 10 pH foods. Suppose you wanted to be all right, Just Google it. What are the 10 pH foods? You can get it. Okay. So now final conclusion is 70% of the foods what you take is alkaline foods, balance 30%. You did not ask anybody, just Google it, which is acidic food, which is alkaline foods. Okay. Now time is short. I will make it faster. Now, the most important thing I wanted to show before the thing, I want to show 1 or 2 acupressure exercises. Keep the phones nearby and try to do exercise along with me. Are you ready all? Just do exercise. It is only take 3 minutes. Okay. Keep the hand like this. Okay. 1, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one exercise. The second exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then here, wrist joint. This joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is to clean that many people are getting the breast tumor. There are so many problems. This is for the lymph gland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then coming to the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. The last is the heart. You should keep the hand like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then the last exercise is you should keep like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these thing exercises, many patients ask me, doctor, show me some exercises where you can watch TV, I can see my serials, then I should be fit. Okay. The simple exercises, what happened? Our hands containing all the nerves here. So all our body spots will be stimulated. See, I think all my hands might be right. So all our nerves and bodies all stimulated. Coming to the fast now, the time is very less. I'm recommending one juice, ABC juice. This is called ABC juice. It's very good for improve the hemoglobin. It helps to detox. This ABC, apple, beetroot, carrot. This helps to improve the hemoglobin. It helps to control the hair falling. It helps to improve the energy level. You can give this morning if it's better. If you're not able to take in the morning, you can take evening. You can give to children. You can give to old people. This is called ABC juice. It containing rich antioxidants. You can take like that. 1 small apple, half beetroot, 1 carrot. According to that, all family can take. Okay. Then what we have done a lot of research nowadays. Many young people are getting the high cholesterol and heart blocks are there. We have done a lot of research on about 1,000 patients, how to reduce the cholesterol level in the body, how to reduce the heart blocks in the body. And we have done research on 1,000 patients, one juice. I brought something also. These are the 3 juices are there. This is called Ashgod. This is called superfood. We are recommending 200 ml juice in the morning before breakfast. It helps to reduce the cholesterol. It helps to regenerate the body. This is first week you should take 200 ml. This is called Ashgod. The second week is Bottle God. First week is Ashgod. Second week is Bottle God. 200 ml juice in the morning we are recommending. And the third week is cucumber juice. First week is Ashgod. Second week is Bottle God. Third week is cucumber. 200 ml in the morning we are recommending before breakfast. Suppose somebody is having high breathlessness, start having lot of blocks, multiple blocks, having high cholesterol. We are recommending even that twice a day, morning, evening you can do. Even some people are not, doctor, I'm not having any problem. Why should I take? So even the problems are not, see, first week, second week, third week, again repeat. Like you can do 6 weeks to 9 weeks. By 3 weeks, you feel the problem is better by at least by 30%, 40%, 50%. You can check your cholesterol level, your triglyceride level. After 6 weeks, after 5 weeks, you can check up. Definitely at least 40%, 50%, 60%. Your triglycerides will reduce, your cholesterol will reduce, your general health will improve. This is only a vegetable. We're not spending any money for this. Okay, it's clear. First week is ashgot, bottle gourd, cucumber. Now, so many things to tell. I'm telling in fast. I've done some research on lemon. Everybody loves the lemon. Tell me what are the things you're using in the lemon. Generally, lemon warm water we take, lemon juice we take, lemon pickle we can take. So many items. I've done some research. At least 1 lakh people. My YouTube, my video is there. Dr. Gupta lemon therapy. More than 10 lakhs people have seen this video. Different countries. What I have done the research on lemon. Simple lemon. It is curing so many diseases. What you have to do is cut the lemon like this. Slice. When you cut the lemon, it should be round enough. You should not cut anywhere. It should be equally round enough, no seeds. Okay? Take 2 slices of lemon and take 1 water bottle. Take 1 water bottle. Put this lemon like this. Okay? The reaction takes place between the lemon and the water. Within 3 hours, the water will become like a medicated water. Just after 3 hours, just drink, that's it. While going to office, while anywhere in the home, you can drink. Within, say, first 2 days, normally you get 3 times urination. With this, you get 10 times, 4 times, more times urination will be there. It helps to detox the body. What we have to do is, suppose you're carrying to the office. Whatever you drink the water, you can refill the water. The action of the lemon is 24 hours. You may ask Dr. Gupta, if you squeeze the lemon, what is the difference? If you put the lemon, if you squeeze the lemon, in the financial, I'm telling 100 rupees benefit. If you put it lemon, 1 million rupees. That is the difference. That also effective. This also effective. Okay. And next day morning, you change the slice. For this, the recommendation is first thing is the glass bottle. First thing is a glass bottle I recommend. Then plastic, and don't use the copper. Okay. And within 2-3 days, you can see the results. Doctor, every day we cannot put the lemon. See, one day you can put the lemon, one day you can put the cucumber, one day you can put the mint leaves. Every day different day. This is called detox water. What you do, suppose in your home, you can put 3-4, and also you can also put, suppose in your home you got so many guests, you want to give orange juice. One orange you can give juice to 100 people. Just take the orange, remove the pulp, put it 2 slices. It will become orange flavor, orange juice, orange detox water. So what happened in your home on your dining table? 1 bottle you can put orange, 1 bottle you can put lemon, 1 bottle you can put ginger, 1 bottle you can put methi. So that children want orange juice, adults want apple juice. Like that, you can. This is called a detox water. All over the wellness centers in the world, they give like this. This is very easy, very simple also. Okay, thank you. Then I am done the research on bendis. You know, this is lady's finger. Everybody likes, correct? How we take in the home is just we fry it, we taste it. But I done the research on lady's finger for more than 1,000 patients. It is helping for the joint pains. It is helping for the acidity. It is helping for the gastric problems. It is also controlling the diabetes around 25%. What you have to do is just take the 2 bendis, cut top and bottom. Okay, cut top and bottom. Put a slices here. Put a slices. Okay. So 2 bendis overnight in the glass. What happened? Bendi is like a sticky, correct? The reaction takes place between the bendi and the water. The next day morning, the water will become like a gel. So what I'm recommending my patients, just next day morning, take out the bendi, squeeze it, throw the bendi out, and the empty stomach, I'm recommending to take this water. This is doing this I'm recommending. What happened? We take dinner around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So night 8 o'clock till morning 6 o'clock, our stomach is empty. If you take the gel in the morning, it passes to esophagus, stomach, large intestine, or So it passes, whatever the toxins are there, whatever the dirt is there, everything it will pass away. So we can, my patients who travel abroad, who went outside, along with their clothes, they also carry, suppose if they're going 5 days, they're going, taking 10 bendis along with their baggage. What happened? Immediately, only thing is the people who are trying first day, I recommend to try on Sundays. Sometimes out of 100, 10% people get some loose motions. What happened? Our intestines is 6 feet. What happened? This gel goes into the intestine, it lubricates whatever the toxins are there, whatever the dirt is there, everything it will take care. This is very, very effective. You see, you can tell doctor, I'm not having any problem. So the persons who are having a problem, they can take daily. Otherwise, they can take weekly. Once you can take, weekly twice you can take. There's no harm. Only thing is, you may ask, you take vegetable, bendi fry, what is the difference? If you take bendi fry, is like a vegetable. It is like a medicine. That is vegetable. This is a medicine. We have tried, thousands of patients, have published the papers, have circulated so many places. You people also tell other people, there is no harm, only 2 bendis, it doesn't cost much. Okay, thank you. So another important thing, everybody takes tea, correct? So instead of taking a normal tea, what I'm recommending, this is a curry leaves, curry patta. What you say in north, curry patta bolte isko. इसको क्या करना, करी पत्ता को पानी में 2 glasses लेके पानी में डाल के बॉईल करना, अच्छी तरह से बॉईल करके ऐसा हलो, ऐसा कप में बना के लेना. इससे ब्लड प्रेशर कम हो रहा. There are so many health benefits. So evening अपन चाय पीते, instead of normal tea, you can have this curry patta tea. Just put it water, अच्छी तरह से बॉईल करके फिल्टर करके ले लो. एक दिन करी पत्ता लेना, एक दिन, this is good for the heart. Even 15 दिन में we seen 10-30% blood pressure is reduced. Other is pudina. Okay, mint leaves. It is very, very good. It's excellent for the gastric problem, acidity and all. Okay. So first day, second day, this help for the gas problem, acidity. Then the third day is a coriander, dhania. It helps for kidney cleaning, kidney flushing. Just take one bunch of coriander, put in the water, boil in a sim, filter it, and take it. The people who are having excess water in the body, the people who have got a incontinence urine, it helps like a kidney flushing. It also has so many benefits, and thyroid also. Very, very effective. And like that, all the leaves you can take. All the one leaf on one day you can take. One day coriander, one day methi, one day pudina, like that you can take. Okay. I'm recommending my patient one green smoothie. What you have to take is all the small leaves. You should take 5 leaves. 5 leaves of small leaves, and like palak and all these are big leaves. Okay, each one big leaves. Small leaves are 5 varieties. Big leaves are 5 varieties each one, and one apple. The green apple and the normal apple. You can have a smoothie in the morning. It helps to detox the body. You can take daily once. You can take daily twice. You can take daily thrice. You can take. It has got a tremendous results are there with this, and we are done for the arthritis. This is called flax seeds, FLAX, flax seeds. Many patients, they take flax seeds, they powder it, they grind it, they take. For arthritis patients, around about 100 patients we tried, I did not give any medicine. Only this flax seeds, 10 grams morning, 10 grams evening. It is helping the arthritis, containing omega-6, omega-3. It is also helping. Only thing is how to take. We should not grind it. We should do hand pounding. Flax seeds isme dal ke, aisa cook ke, just put it and drink water. It is helping joint pains, arthritis. It is like a miraculous. Only thing is you cannot keep it ready in the home. Whenever you want, अलसी को powder करके जब गर्म पानी के साथ ले सकते. Anyway, you can take this. Very, very effective. Hundreds of patients are tried. This is available in any supermarket. So, and the people who are having a problem, they should take. The people in the home, other family members, they're not having any problem. They make a powder. They put on vegetables. They put on chapati. They can put anything they can take. Another thing is this called chia seeds. CHIA. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are superfoods. You can put in the juice. You can put in the water. You can overnight. You can soak it. Very, 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 very effective. And it helps acidity. It helps to control so many diseases. Chia seeds. Okay. The next thing is, many patients ask me, doctor, where my husband is having acidity, is taking Zentec for 10 years, 15 years, acidity, indigestion, gas formation, so many problems are there. I got a simple solution. Within 5 days, I'm treating acidity with simple thing. This is called apple. I may ask, doctor, what is this? We are taking apples in so many days. See, what you have to do, the people who got acidity, indigestion, take one apple, boil it. put in the water and boil it. Then after 5 minutes, the apple gets cracks. Take it out with the help of spoon. You take within 24 hours, your acidity will go by 25%. Within second day, 40%, 50%. Within 5 days, suppose overnight, suppose you had a night party, you feel your stomach is upset, uncomfortable. Just boil it. Boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will crack. Then take with the help of spoon. You take. I'm sure I tried hundreds of patients. By second day, all will be happy. You'll be telling other people also. Whatever may be the chronic acidity, it will help to reduce their acidity. So you can take, the people are having problem, they can take for like 1 or 2 apples also, they can take boiled apple. It's called boiled apple. For within 2 days, your acidity, gastric problem, all problem will decide. And the problems, the people are not having more problem, they can take little longer time, maybe 4 days, 5 days, but the results are started with 1 day. Okay. Then we are doing a lot of research on the pain management. So after doing research for 10 years, my mother told me, if you relieve somebody pain, I will be relieved. I will be blessed. On that, I've done a lot of research. I went to Shabarimala, I went to America, so many parts. Then I developed a serum. My serum benefit is, before you finish your coffee, the pain should go. Within 2 minutes, any pain, it will go. It's containing a roll-on. It may be headache. It may be the muscle pain. It may be the knee pain. Any pain. It is a nerve pain or bone pain or muscle pain. It will not cure. It will give relief to the people. And in our hospital, in our center, we don't sell it. If anybody want, first we'll give a demo, live demo. If he convinces, we are taking. Even somebody buys also after using 50%, if he's not happy, we're refunding. So we have started a pain foundation. Who are the interested? I wanted to send all of you as a complimentary one bottle. You can help the people. So one bottle you can use for 100 patients. 100 patients. Suppose your grandchild had a pain. Your mother is having a pain. Some servant is having a neck pain. Wherever the pain is there, just apply and massage. Exactly after the 2 minutes, the pain disappears. Somewhere minimum is 50%, 60%. How long it stays? Because it is only temporarily relieves. Suppose if we take a painkiller, what happens? It goes to the stomach, it goes to the thing, it causes acidity, indigestion, and so many things. So this is only external bomb. So we started a pain foundation. I want all the members to join. I will send a complimentary. I want to help other people. I want the people should be pain-free. So I want the people should be tablet-free. Okay. So I'll take with the help of Om Prakash ji, I will send. Take one bottle you can use for 100 people. If it is 200% guarantee, because we tried lakhs of people are there. So I carry in my bag when I go for walking, when I go for traveling, I keep all the time one bottle. Suppose you people also carry one bottle. Somebody says pain, anything, any pain, uncomfortable, just apply and massage. Exactly within 2 minutes. I put a slogan in my mobile. Before you finish your coffee, the pain should go. That is the slogan of my pain slogan. It containing all the natural thing. There's no chemicals. There's no chemicals at all. Okay. Then another thing, many people are asking the weight loss. We have done research. This is called SOM. You know, SOM. People, what you say in this SOM? You understand SOM? This is a SOM. Very, very effective. Take a bottle of water. Put 2 spoons of SOM in it. To put 2 spoons of SOM in the water overnight. You can carry day long. You can take it. It is helping monthly to reduce 3 kgs of body weight. Is helping only with the SOM water. Just put 2-3 spoons of SOM overnight. Next day morning, when you go to the office, when you are just go on drink. If you want to eat the SOM also, SOM bhi apan खा सकते. इससे gas कम हो रहा, acidity कम हो रहा, indigestion कम हो रहा. We around about 100 patients, we see minimum 2.5 to 3 kgs weight भी कम हो गया. Along with the food and exercise, it's very easy. And also many people in India में खाना खाने के बाद अपन सौंफ खाते, because it got multiple health benefits are there. Okay. Then another thing, most important thing, see upon vegetables, the farmers are putting the pesticides. They are putting a lot of pesticides. Pesticides से अपन को सुनो nowadays young age में अपन को cancer आ रहा है, thyroid problem आ रहा है, diabetes आ रहा है, because अपन the vegetables को अच्छी तरह से धोना. That is, जब भी अपन market जाते हैं, vegetables लेके एक भगोने में डाल के put little baking soda. If the baking soda is not available, put vinegar. Soak for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Then you can wash it and use at least 30%, 40%. My suggestion for you, wherever you are staying if the place is there, like methi, all the small leaves, you can grow in your backyard. You can grow your backyard. Don't buy all those things. Slowly, you can grow. You can use freshly. You can cut and use. Okay. And And another important thing is, so morning I'm recommending the fruits, breakfast fruits. I'm recommending, we have done a lot of research. If you eat 2 meals, you need not go to doctor. One, either you take 10 o'clock and 6 o'clock. And in middle, don't eat food. Suppose you are adding 10 items in the food. Keep all with you. When the time starts, our body every 55 minutes, insulin secretes. Whatever the food you take, complete. Suppose you start by 10 o'clock, 10:55, you finish your meal. So after 10:55, it is called, even if you take a small thing, it's called second meal. We consider it as a second meal. Okay. First meal and second meal. Try to, with this, it also comes into intermittent fasting also. One meal you take morning, whether you call it breakfast, you get lunch, you can whatever the thing, one meal in the morning, one meal in the evening. So it is helping so many diseases. Otherwise, if you're not able to do, you put minimum 16 hours. Suppose early dinner, 7 o'clock, if you finish 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you finish your dinner. Next day morning, 9 o'clock, you should give dinner, and next day morning meal, you should give at least minimum of 14-15 hours. That will go. And another thing, today's main topic, the most important thing, how to look younger is, first thing is, whatever the problems you should take, let go. Let go is the most important thing. This helps. But see, some people we cannot change. Okay, whatever the situation comes, whatever the problems come, you should accept the mind. Let go, let go, let go. Then slowly, God will take care, nature will take care, and it will not give the burden to our body. First thing, to be healthy, to be naturally, let go. See, yesterday sir, I attended the lecture. One small idea make millions of rupees. Sir told yesterday. So same idea I took. I'm making good money by this. So when my mother, we eat watermelon, throw the seeds, correct? Muskmelon, throw the seeds, all the fruit seeds. My mother taking out the seeds. Okay. Then I got an idea. What is this? My mother is opening seeds and all. I done a lot of research. I talked to so many doctors. The seeds containing a lot of vitamins, nutrients, minerals. Then I developed a product. It only containing seeds. It containing 25 seeds are there. Watermelon seed, muskmelon, almond, badam, kaju, pista, anjeer. We are importing from different countries, different seeds. We are cleaning. We are not putting sugar. We are not putting honey. We are not putting anything. This we are recommending 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the evening. Just I'm showing the thing. This all the nuts and seeds. This containing all the seeds are there. This we are recommending. You can also buy from the market 22 varieties of seeds, but it's difficult to buy. Suppose one seed is problem, all the problems are there. This I'm recommending it. So you put the price is very less. It costing, if you take 2 spoons, if you take 2 spoons a day, it costing around about 11 rupees per day. But the group will make a special price. This product is available in Amazon. It pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, all the seeds are there. This is you have to take like this: 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the evening, and no color, no sugar, nothing is there. You can also make in the home. Only thing difficult to people: buy pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, badam, anjeer, pista, hazelnut, hazelnut, macadamia nuts. What we are doing is, whatever the best seeds are available from different countries, we are importing. Just like that, for sir, I have given an idea. I started for my family. Now, Hyderabad, this company, 50 people are working. It's available in Amazon. It's available in Hyderabad, in all the hospitals, metro, supermarkets, all available. We are getting good response. So, and it doesn't cost much. If you eat 2 spoons a day, it is costing only 10 rupees to 11 rupees per day. Okay, thank you. This product name is Doctor Nuts and Seeds. Okay. Then another one exercise I've done, but the candle is not there. What we have to do is, you should keep on candle. This is very good for the breathing exercises, helping to reduce the weight also. Keep on candle. This thing that keep a candle. Candle is not there. I have to keep on candle at 5 feet distant, like blow. So you should keep minimum 6 feet. Within 2 minutes, you get all sweating. If you go for a 5-kilometer walk, what is the result? Within 5 minutes, keep the candle 5 feet distance, and blow it like this. You should keep it like that. You should keep like that, blow. Like that. Okay. This is a very, very good exercise. All many younger generations, we are recommended. This is very, very good. Within 3 minutes, we can get body sweating. Just keep the candle 5 feet distance. If you're not able to blow, 4 feet distance, 3.5, 3, just blow like this. What happened? Our lung capacity will increase, our energy level increase, or so many health benefits are available with this. And very people are getting during Corona time. I'm recommending one potli. You put ajwain, camphor, and lavang. Just make a potli and keep near the bed, near to your bed or anywhere. Just take inhalation, so that what happened, your cough will be better, your throat problem will be better, all other problems will be better. The most important, another important thing, many people are telling, sleeplessness. In Hyderabad, I started a research called face reflexology. This I started in KIMS Hospital and other hospitals. Those who go for underwent for the bypass surgeries, they're not getting the sleep. So I done R&D and face reflexology. I will tell only off minute. Next session, I will tell in detail what is face reflexology. What you have to do, take these 2 fingers. Along with me can do all people. Just take 2 fingers when you just like this. Behind the ears are very important. This also helps for the people who got sinusitis. This in Hyderabad, in my clinic, any patient comes, we do a face reflexology. Our target is by 6 minutes the patient sleeps. Then only we sleep in our bedroom, and our dress, and our home. In my clinic, difficult. But when I do a therapy, on 6 minutes the patient sleeps. I want to train all of you this face reflexology to help to reduce the anger, to reduce the tension, to reduce the migraine. Many people migraine, they take tablets. Instead of taking a tablet, they do a facial reflexology. Their migraine will be better, the headache will be better. Even we are doing a lot of research. Even the blood pressure is able to reduce with the facial reflexology. Another thing, the people who are having the sleeping problems and headache, I'm doing research is the foot containing lot of nerves. Bedtime, just take few coconut oil drops, do foot massage. Just take some oil and do foot massage and the navel massage, nabi में 2-3 ड्रॉप्स कोकोनट ऑयल डाल के थोड़ा अच्छा मसाज करने से नाभि में 72,000 nerves are there. All will be activated. Try in the bedtime or in the morning. Bedtime is better. Take few drops of fresh coconut oil, put it in the nabi and massage. You can see lot of problems will be relieved. And also take few drops of coconut oil and do फुट पे अच्छी तरह से ऐसा मसाज करने से आपको 2 मिनट में नींद आता अच्छा रिजल्ट्स भी है. And we are getting so many patients. Doctor, my mother is having a gum problem, a teeth problem. See, I'm recommending one homemade gargling. Take 2 parts of turmeric, 1 part of the rock salt, mix it up, keep in your bathroom. Just take water, put it in the water, gargle. So that what happens, turmeric, all antibody like the salt also, any bacteria, all problems will be good. 2 parts of turmeric, 1 part of the rock salt. And another thing, what I'm telling, whenever you are doing in the kitchen, आप kitchen में है, बाहर है, आप क्या करना, एक ओम का chanting mission मिलता है, chanting mission मिलता है, आप भगवान के रूम में, पूजा रूम में, kitchen में डालो, ओम. What happened, wherever घर में फिर रहे, काम कर रहे, ओम चलते रहता, ओम, like the chanting, so that automatically your house will be a positive energy, you will be positive energy. So very good result. We did not do anything. Just put a mission. Just available 150 rupees. Just put a mission in your puja room anywhere. Automatically the whole room will be vibration and chanting will be there, and it's very, very, very good. Another thing, हम क्या कर रहे हैं हैदराबाद में, जो sleepless problem को eucalyptus oil पिल्लो को 2 drop डालो बोल रहे, recommend कर रहे. I'm giving to my patients in my clinic. Take 2 drop eucalyptus oil, put to the pillow for just a pillow को 2 drop लगा के सोने से what happened, इससे cold कम हो जा रहा, breathlessness कम हो रहा, so whole night you got a positive feeling. And अच्छा, and another important thing, I think time is finished. I've done, this is, everybody knows, this is cost only 5 rupees. We have done research more than lakhs of patients. This is called, इसको बोलते हैं पिटकड़ी बोलते हैं. Generally people use after shave, correct? After shave बोलते हैं इसको. After shave के लिए use करते हैं. Okay? Alum is called alum. It is very good for water purifier. It is very, very good for skin problems. Anybody is having a pimples, anybody having eczema, if anybody is having itching, just put in the water, rub it. Within 5 minutes, within 3 days, 4 days, आपका skin problem 50% कम हो जाएगा. Itching कम हो जाता, eczema कम होता, और pigmentation कम होता, pimples कम होता. And somebody is having more problem, इसको powder करके गर्म पानी में डाल के इसे स्नान करने से भी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए जादू जैसा काम करता. It is only cost 5 rupees, just 5 rupees में मिलता. In my clinic, I am giving one compliment along with all the patients so that I want to use, because many people doesn't know. They spend huge money for their problems. So this is called pitkadi bolte, isko bolte alum bolte. So even people can use aftershave, people can use for antiseptic, people can use for eczema, people can for itching, all the problem they can use it. Okay. Then
Dr. Gupta, sorry, आपका session it's going very good, and we can keep listening, but see, we have made this for 20 minutes.
Fine. I completed many topics.
I got it.
We would certainly like to have another session from you.
Okay.
There is
Any
so much
question
to
answers?
take.
I can tell 1 minute. 1 minute if anybody want.
What we will do, we will have another session of you, and then we will ask people to give ask question and answers.
Okay.
We will shortly have another session from you, and I will share your number in the group.
My call center numbers are there. Anybody want? And I want to help all the group people. Anybody is having suffering with the chronic diseases. कभी भी आप group डॉक्टर के पास सुनो 1 minute. Kidney stone बोलते हैं. We are dissolving the kidney stones within 10 days. Somebody X-ray के साथ आना, दवाई लेना, फिर stone जाने के बाद हमारा पैसे पे करना. We are doing like this. Anybody in the group, anybody किसको भी health problem है, emergency problem है, surgery बोलते हैं, हमारे से बात करना. I will tell home remedies. उससे कम नहीं होने से जब surgery को जाना. This is a request to all the group people. I want overall उनको help करते without medicine, without surgery as much as possible. Okay.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
I think 20 minutes is not the time which we can do justice to all your knowledge. So we'll certainly have more sessions, and I will share your number in the group, and people who have some chronic issue, they will contact you. Thank you so much for such an insightful
I'm also appreciating. I'm also joining your group. I will also learn. Thank you very much.
Already, doctor. Yeah, Dr. साहब already अपने 3-4 session attend कर चुके हैं.
Okay, so what we'll do now, it's already 6:06, so we will close this session now, and I would request people who have not joined the group, awesome group, join. The link is there in the chat, and they can join the group. And we have lined up some very amazing sessions in Navratras on design thinking. Mohanji Gupta is also coming back. So many exciting sessions are lined up. So we look forward to seeing all of you in coming sessions. Thank you for today. Have a nice day today. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
सर एड्रेस मिल सकता है सर?
We will share in the chat.
I will share
group in the group.
नंबर दे दीजिए
सर प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग डालिए.
नंबर सर प्लीज.
ओम प्रकाश जी डॉक्टर साहब.
Yeah, 756 945 8672. I repeat, 756 945 8672. Another number 9090 306 000. I repeat, 9090 306 000.
Don't worry, we will share in the group. We will share the numbers in the group. Don't worry about it. We will. And Dr. Gupta.
सीरम की बात करिए, ये सीरम हमें कहाँ से अवेलेबल होगा?
रचना जी,
नंबर शेयर करेंगे.
आपको नंबर शेयर करेंगे. आप जैसे ही नंबर आपके पास आएगा, आप कॉल करके सीरम मंगा सकते हो. सो मैं अभी क्लोज कर रहा हूँ सेशन बिकॉज वी एक्सीडेड टाइम बाय डबल टाइम, मतलब अभी हम लोग 40 मिनट
But it
क्रॉस
was worth watching. It was worth watching, listening to the doctor. And thank you, doctor,
Thank
for
you.
all your
Thank you, sir.
insightful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, doctor.
मैं आपको सब
Thank you, doctor.
संदीप जी,
Talk by you.
To the team.
संदीप जी आपको ग्रुप में भेज
Thank
देंगे।
you, Dr. Sir.
डॉक्टर साहब
Thank
मैं
you,
sir.
आपको
Thank
हैदराबाद में रहता हूँ।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
for
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
करिए
Have a
सर,
nice day.
all help.
थैंक यू।
Sir, please record it.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर, थैंक यू
Thank
नीलेश।
you, doctor.
सर
एक और सेशन करवाइए सर।
Thank you all awesome team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Om Prakash Agarwal sir. Thank you, sir.
एक और सेशन करिए सर।
सर एक सेशन और करवाइएगा।
सर आज का रिकॉर्डिंग
चाहिए नीलेश, आज का रिकॉर्डिंग सबसे रिकॉर्डिंग भी भेज रहे हैं। संदीप जी आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजेंगे 11 बजे तक। आप सब लोग, मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, नंबर्स मिलेंगे, आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं ना। ऑसम 20 ग्रुप में सब कुछ भेज रहे हैं, सो सब कुछ भेज रहे हैं। बाय बाय, सी यू। अभी मैं एंड कर रहा हूँ।
बहुत अच्छा नीलेश, आज का
Thank you.
Thank you.